Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLay H9 third generation wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason is if you just for whatever reason want to delete all the pairing history off of these headphones and the settings so that you can set them up like they're just new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that really easily. All we need to do on these headphones is make sure we have a decent charge on them and then have them turned on. And once they've been turned on for a little bit, then we're just going to come in here and press and move the switch over to the Bluetooth side of this switch right here and just hold it there. We're going to hold it there for about 10 seconds, just keeping an eye on the little indicator light. Just hold, hold, hold. And when the indicator light flashes red for 2 seconds, that means they've been reset. You can go ahead and release the button. All the pairing has been deleted, and now these headphones are ready to be set up like they're just brand new coming out of the box.